This guide will help you enable and adjust the graphics settings on your Nintendo Switch for an optimized gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your gameplay visuals. Step 1. Access the home menu. Turn on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the home menu by pressing the home button on your controller. Step 2. Open System Settings. Scroll down the home menu and select the System Settings icon, which looks like a gear. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can adjust various options. Step 3. Select TV Settings. In the System Settings menu, scroll down and select TV Settings. This section allows you to configure display options that affect how games are rendered on your screen. Step 4. Adjust resolution and frame rate. Within the TV settings, look for options related to resolution and frame rate. Depending on your TV and preferences, you can choose between different settings to enhance graphics quality. Step 5. Save changes and exit. After making your adjustments, ensure you save any changes if prompted. Then exit the system settings and return to the home menu to start your games with the new graphics settings. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and customize the graphics settings on your Nintendo Switch. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.